I've actually been using Screen Studio for a while now, and I find it very interesting. Today we are gonna have a tutorial on Screen Studio, and I'm gonna show you how to use it very effectively so you can increase productivity. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now, Screen Studio is a professional screen recording and editing application which is designed exclusively for Mac OS. Now it automatically enhances recordings with cinematic effects, smooth animations, and intelligent zooms to create high quality product demos, tutorials, and social media content with minimal effort. Now, the first thing we're going to do for this tutorial is we're going to download Screen Studio for our Mac. And once we click on download, we're going to wait for it to download. And once it's done, we're going to install it on our computer and we're going to start using it. Now that it's done downloading, we're going to click on this and use it on our computer. Now there's an issue with showing you how to use it because I'm using Screen Studio to record right now. But what we're going to do is we're going to open a finder and we're going to find one video. So basically this is how Screen Studio looks like. Once you're done recording all of your projects, this is what you're gonna see. You're gonna see it laid down like this. Now this is a tutorial I made on how to add users to Cloudflare, and as you can see, after recording the whole footage, I had to edit it to take out the parts that I don't want. I also included some automatic zooms and manual zooms. You see here it's manual. That's because once you click on the zoom, you see you have the choice to choose whether you want it to be manual or automatic, and you can decide to increase the zoom ratio. Now, another thing also is that Screen Studio allows you to set background music to your videos. So you can come here, you come to this audio, you choose the type of the genre of the music you want. I usually like to go for commercial, and then in commercial you can find instrumentals that you can put under your audio to make it more professional. Now if you look down here, you can see what we call a mask, and under it you see sensitive data. Now what this does is it allows you to block out sensitive data on your videos. And for you to add this to your video, all you need to do is come to the top here, click on mask, and then it's gonna allow you to add a mask to your video. But you need to know that for the masks, there are two different types. We have a mask for sensitive data, and we have a mask for highlighting data. For sensitive data, it blocks it, and for highlighting data, it exposes it and blocks everything else. Now, assuming you're done editing your videos, you can come to export, click on export, and you can choose how you'd want the quality of your videos to look here. If you'd like to have it compressed, the resolution that you want, the frame rate, the format, and then it's going to export to file. And you also have the option to create a shareable link where someone can view your video, and once you're done, you export. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Until the next one, see ya.